In this video, I will show you how to add a soundboard to Discord on your mobile device. With just a few simple steps, you can have your soundboard ready to use in no time. First things first, open the Google Chrome web browser on your mobile device. Now navigate to discord.com. Log in next. Tap on those three little dots located at the top right corner of the browser. A menu will pop up here. Put a check mark next to desktop site. This allows us to access the full desktop version of Discord. Now it's time to log into your account. After logging in, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and remove the check mark next to desktop site. This will adjust your view back for easier navigation. Tap on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select a server where you'd like to add sounds. Tap on the server name, then select Server Settings from the options. In Server Settings, tap on Soundboard, tap on Upload. Sound. A new window will appear prompting you to browse files. Browse through your audio files and select one you'd like to upload. Once selected, type in a catchy sound name that represents what it is. You can also choose a related emoji. Don't forget about sound volume adjusted according to preference, so everyone can enjoy it without blasting their ears off after everything looks good. Simply tap Upload. And just like that, you've added sounds to your Discord mobile.